Edition of the Be Well Stay Well Healthy Eating During the Holidays segment. Today we are at Tria up in North Oaks with Chef Brian Bossert, and he is going to make for us today a lobster linguine. So we'll let you take it from here and start watching.
Sounds
make
good.
The magic.
Get olive oil. Yep, just minced garlic. What we're doing here is we're making we're flavoring the oil. That's all the flavors in the oil. Gotta be really careful going from the garlic because that'll be like bitter taste. So the garlic starts to brown. We just cooked Langostino meat. I was using sniffer lobster, but it's been really hard to find.
So it's Langostino meat, you said? What else?
You can do this with salmon, halibut.
Okay.
Any kind of vegetable you like.
And was that wine?
That was a white wine, yep.
So is there a certain kind of white wine that works better?
We just use basic cheap box wine. This is a Chardonnay actually. You can do it with a Sauv Blanc. You can nice little citrus bite at the end. Just reduce that wine down a little bit while our pasta's heating. Actually, I have people that still come in and order the old way.
Oh, sure.
Dump the pasta in the bowl. We have to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. That's basically the dish. Right over the top, it kind of melts the cheese, gives it a nice little texture. Garnish it with some fresh parsley. Or excuse me, fresh basil. There you go.
That's our dish.
Simple.
And it's fast and easy, so there's not a lot of stress behind, putting that meal together.
It's like roasting a turkey for 6 hours.
Right. Right. Well, should we try it? Sure. What other things could you add to maybe change the flavor of this?
Well, you could do it. It's basically limited. You can throw salsa in there if you wanted to. I'm starting to kind of get into some Moroccan cuisine. I made a dish last weekend. The sauce and all that. A little Middle Eastern. Had some zip to it.
Oh, yeah.
So basically, whatever your tastes are, whatever you like, throw it in.
Yeah.
Maybe throw cilantro in instead of the basil. Some lime juice. And I do a log spin on it.
All right.
You turn your mouth first.
I like the fresh basil on top.
Because, basically cooking is all about, building layer flavor. That's all good.
Well, when you don't have a super heavy sauce on it like that too, just some of those herbs add
Exactly.
a lot.
Yep.